Starting an online business can be exciting. The idea of building something from scratch, watching it grow, and having the freedom to work on your own terms is a dream for many people. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or hoping to create a full-time income, the world of online business offers endless possibilities. Imagine waking up in the morning, grabbing your favorite cup of coffee, and knowing that your business is running, even while you sleep. That's the power of the digital age. You can work from anywhere and be your own boss. Picture yourself working from a cozy coffee shop, a sunny beach, or the comfort of your own home. The flexibility of online business means you can design your workday around your life, not the other way around. No more long commutes or strict office hours, just you, your laptop, and your ambition. One popular way to start is with dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model that's perfect for beginners because it doesn't require a big upfront investment. You don't need to buy inventory in advance or rent a warehouse. Instead, you can focus on building your brand and connecting with customers, while someone else handles the logistics. Dropshipping means you sell products online without keeping them in stock. When a customer places an order, you simply purchase the item from a supplier, who then ships it directly to your customer. This eliminates the need for you to store, pack, or ship products yourself, making it a low-risk way to get started in e-commerce. When you make a sale, your supplier ships the product directly to the customer. This seamless process allows you to focus on marketing, customer service, and growing your business, while the supplier takes care of the rest. It's a win-win situation that lets you scale your business without the headaches of traditional retail. This way, you don't have to handle inventory or worry about shipping. You can spend your time on what really matters: finding great products, creating beautiful listings, and building relationships with your customers. Plus, you can run your business from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. Etsy is a great place to start your dropshipping journey. Unlike other marketplaces, Etsy is known for its creative, unique, and personalized products. It's a platform where shoppers come to find something special, whether it's handmade jewelry, vintage clothing, or custom home decor. This makes it the perfect place for entrepreneurs who want to stand out and offer something different. It's a marketplace where people come to buy and sell unique, handmade, and vintage items. Etsy's community values creativity and originality, so if you have an eye for trends or a passion for design, you'll fit right in. Even if you're not a maker yourself, you can still succeed by curating products that align with Etsy's vibe and appeal to its audience. With millions of active buyers, Etsy provides a ready-made audience for your products. You don't have to worry about building a website from scratch or driving traffic from zero. Etsy's built-in customer base means you can start making sales faster, and their search tools help shoppers find exactly what they're looking for. And the best part? You can use free AI tools to help you every step of the way. Artificial intelligence is changing the game for online entrepreneurs. With the right tools, you can automate time-consuming tasks, get insights into what's trending, and even generate product descriptions or marketing content in seconds. Imagine having a virtual assistant that helps you research the best products to sell, suggests keywords to boost your listings, and even writes compelling descriptions that attract buyers. These AI tools are not only powerful, they're also free, making them accessible to anyone who wants to start an online business. From finding winning products to creating eye-catching listings, AI can make starting and running your dropshipping business easier and faster. You'll save hours of manual work and be able to focus on the creative and strategic parts of your business. Plus, AI can help you stay ahead of the competition by spotting trends before they go mainstream. In the following sections, we'll guide you through setting up your very own Etsy dropshipping store using powerful and completely free AI tools. We'll cover everything from choosing the right products and suppliers to optimizing your listings and marketing your store. You'll learn how to use AI to streamline your workflow, boost your sales, and build a brand that stands out on Etsy. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience with e-commerce, this guide will give you the tools and confidence you need to succeed. We'll break down each step in simple, actionable terms so you can follow along and start seeing results quickly. Get ready to unleash your entrepreneurial spirit. With the right mindset, the power of Etsy, and the help of free AI tools, you're about to embark on an exciting journey. Before we jump into setting up your Etsy shop, let's equip ourselves with the right tools. Think of this as assembling your digital toolbox. Each tool will play a unique role in making your dropshipping journey smoother, more efficient, and ultimately, more profitable. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience, these free AI-powered resources will help you save time, boost creativity, and stay ahead of the competition. So, let's take a closer look at what you'll need to get started on the right foot. We'll be using several free AI-powered tools to streamline our dropshipping business. Each of these tools is designed to tackle a specific challenge you'll face as an Etsy seller, from product research and image creation to writing compelling descriptions and finding reliable suppliers. Here's a quick rundown of the essential tools that will become your go-to resources as you build your shop and grow your business. First up is Bard, a free and incredibly versatile AI chatbot developed by Google. We'll be using Bard for researching trending products, brainstorming product ideas, and even analyzing market demand. Bard can help you identify what's hot right now so you can stock your shop with items that are more likely to sell. It's like having a research assistant available 24/7, ready to answer your questions and spark new ideas whenever you need them. Bard is a powerful AI chatbot that can answer your questions, generate different creative text formats, and even help with coding. If you're ever stuck or unsure about what to sell, Bard can suggest trending niches, help you brainstorm unique product angles, and even draft catchy product titles or descriptions. Plus, if you want to automate parts of your workflow, Bard can assist with simple code snippets or automation ideas, making your business more efficient. Next, we have Crayon, a fantastic AI image generator that we'll use to create unique and attractive product images. In the world of Etsy, visuals are everything. Your product photos are often the first thing shoppers notice. With Crayon, you can bring your product ideas to life, even if you don't have photography skills or a big budget for professional images. This tool lets you experiment with different styles and concepts until you find the perfect look for your shop. Simply type in a text description, and Crayon will generate multiple image options for you. Want a watercolor-style cat mug or a retro-inspired tote bag? Just describe it, and Crayon does the rest. This means you can quickly test out different product ideas visually, create mock-ups for your listings, and stand out from the competition with eye-catching, one-of-a-kind images, all without spending a dime. WordTune is another essential tool in our arsenal. It helps you write clear, engaging, and persuasive product descriptions that convert browsers into buyers. On Etsy, your words matter just as much as your images. Well-written descriptions can boost your search rankings and convince shoppers to hit that Add to Cart button. WordTune makes it easy to polish your writing, even if you're not a natural wordsmith. It rewrites your sentences, suggests synonyms, and improves the overall tone of your writing. Whether you want your descriptions to sound more professional, friendly, or persuasive, WordTune adapts to your needs. It's like having an editor on call, helping you craft descriptions that not only inform but also inspire confidence and excitement in your customers. Finding reliable suppliers is crucial for dropshipping success. The right supplier ensures your products are high quality, shipped on time, and meet your customers' expectations. But tracking down trustworthy partners can be time-consuming and overwhelming, especially when you're just starting out. That's where our next tool comes in. Contact Out is a free Chrome extension that helps you find email addresses and connect directly with potential suppliers. Instead of spending hours searching for contact information, you can use Contact Out to quickly gather emails and reach out to suppliers with your questions or requests. This makes it much easier to build relationships, negotiate deals, and ensure you're working with the best partners for your shop. These free AI tools will be your secret weapons in building a successful Etsy dropshipping business. By combining their strengths, you'll be able to research trends, create stunning visuals, write irresistible descriptions, and connect with top suppliers, all without spending a cent. This powerful toolkit levels the playing field, giving you the same advantages as bigger, more established sellers. Now that you know what tools we'll be using, you're ready to take the next step. With your AI toolbox in hand, let's move on to creating your Etsy shop and turning your business dreams into reality. Creating your Etsy shop is the first step to your dropshipping journey. Don't worry, it's easy and takes just a few simple steps. First, go to Etsy.com. Open your web browser and navigate to Etsy.com. Next, click on Sell on Etsy. In the upper right corner of the page, you'll see a button that says Sell on Etsy. Click on it. Then create an account. You can create a new account using your email address or sign in with your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. After that, set up your shop preferences. Etsy will guide you through a few steps to set up your shop preferences. You'll need to choose a shop language, country, currency, and a few other details. That's it. Your Etsy shop is now created. you'll be taken to your shop manager, where you can further customize your shop's appearance, add listings, and manage orders. But before we start listing products, let's find out what's hot in the market using our AI tools. Choosing the right products to sell is absolutely crucial for the success of your dropshipping business. In fact, it's one of the most important decisions you'll make as an entrepreneur. The products you select will determine not only your sales, but also your brand reputation, customer satisfaction, and long-term growth. Many new dropshippers make the mistake of picking products based on personal preference or random trends, but a data-driven approach is far more effective. That's where artificial intelligence comes in, making the process smarter, faster, and more reliable than ever before. You want to find products that are in demand and have the potential to generate consistent sales. But how do you know what's trending, what's oversaturated, or what's just a passing fad? Instead of spending hours scrolling through social media or guessing what might work, you can leverage AI tools to do the heavy lifting for you. These tools analyze massive amounts of data from across the internet, including search trends, social media buzz, and marketplace statistics to help you spot opportunities that others might miss. This is where Bard comes in handy. Bard is Google's advanced AI chatbot, designed to help you research, brainstorm, and discover new ideas in seconds. First, open Bard on your computer or mobile device. It's free to use and doesn't require any special software. Go to bard.google.com and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, it only takes a minute to create. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to Bard's powerful AI engine, which is constantly updated with the latest information from across the web. Then ask Bard for trending product ideas. You can start with a simple prompt like, "What are some trending products right now?" Or get more specific based on your interests or target market. Bard will instantly scan recent data and provide you with a curated list of products that are gaining popularity. For example, you can ask Bard a question like, "What are some trending products on Etsy for my niche?" This is especially useful if you're targeting a specific platform or audience. Bard can tailor its suggestions to match the unique trends and demands of different marketplaces, whether it's Etsy, Amazon, Shopify, or even niche-specific sites. Just replace your niche with the category you're interested in, such as home decor, jewelry, or pet supplies. Bard will generate a list of product ideas that are currently trending in that category, along with insights into why they're popular. You might see suggestions like minimalist wall art, personalized pet accessories, or eco-friendly kitchen gadgets. Next, it's time to analyze Bard's suggestions and see which ones have the most potential for your store. Bard will provide you with a list of potential product ideas based on real-time data and trends. You can review these suggestions, look for patterns, and identify products that align with your brand and target audience. Pay attention to items that have a growing search volume, positive reviews, and low competition. Bard can even show you trend graphs and data points to help you make informed decisions. You can further refine your search by asking more specific questions such as, "What are some unique and eco-friendly products for pet lovers?" Bard's AI is flexible and can handle detailed prompts, so don't be afraid to get creative. The more specific your questions, the more tailored and actionable Bard's recommendations will be. You can also ask about seasonal trends, upcoming holidays, or products that are popular in certain countries or regions. By using Bard's AI-powered insights, you can quickly identify winning products that have a high demand and low competition, giving you an edge in the market. This approach saves you countless hours of manual research and helps you avoid costly mistakes. With Bard, you're not just guessing, you're making data-driven decisions that increase your chances of success. Plus, you can revisit Bard anytime to refresh your product ideas as trends evolve. Now that you know how to use AI to find winning products, the next step is to make those products stand out. In the following section, we'll show you how to create stunning product images and write compelling descriptions that attract customers and drive sales. Let's dive in.
In my next video, we will explore how to set up creating simple and easy trending products in your niche to boost and set up your products and drive sales. See you with my next video, boosting sales and trending new products. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on our next progressing journey to building a successful journey with Etsy Drops Hoping online web store. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.